administration is set to rescind another rule from the Bush administration. The so-called conscience clause allowed doctors and pharmacies to refuse to fill prescriptions or perform procedures to which they objected on moral or ethical grounds. Now doctors and pharmacists with a moral issue may find they have to quit their jobs or risk breaking the law. Lisa Sylvester has our report.
Leonard Edlow has been a pharmacist for 39 years in Richmond, Virginia. He's also a pastor at his church. His religious views make him hesitant to fill prescriptions for the morning after pill that can prevent unwanted pregnancies.
As I tell my members all the time, you know, what I say on Sunday, I have to live 6 days a week. I can't say one thing on Sunday morning and then come in here and practice pharmacy a different way the other days of the week.
President Bush, in his final days in office, signed off on a rule known as the Conscience Clause. It reaffirmed and expanded existing laws to say that individuals like Edlow could refuse to provide services based on moral grounds. It also said that not only doctors and nurses could refuse to provide services, but so could others like receptionists or janitors who object for personal reasons. Now the Obama administration has announced it's reversing that rule. Donna Crane with NARAL Pro-Choice America has lobbied to roll back the Conscience Clause. She says the Bush rule allowed not just individuals to opt out, but whole organizations. And she believes these institutions have an obligation to their patients.
I think if you're serving a broad population, if your employees are not all of the same faith, your employees will be from across the spectrum as well, and you're essentially a participant in the public healthcare system. I think the standards are a little different for an institution. We should expect institutions to adhere to the standard of care.
But Leonard Edlow says he has to listen to his conscience. He says in rare cases like rape, he would consider dispensing the morning after pill. But providing services is an individual decision, not one to be made by the government.